So this is a breath breathing guide for a deep back bend Kapotasana. So this is like the culmination of the principles we've been discussing about deep back bends, how the inhalation could create more space as you draw the sensation up, and then how the exhalation could actually create more space by opening the pathways or the energy lock so you can make room for the breath to progressively rise up. So even when you exhale, the spine remains open. You inhale, you elongate further until you're able to reach for the heels behind you. So let's try it out. Yeah? Right, don't push the pelvis forward. Breathing into the vertical. Initiate the movement from the base of your spine and rise up. Good. Exhale, let this open. Open the pathways because you're going to use that to draw it inwards and up. Inhale, and as you exhale, suspend the arms. Push down the foundation. You slide the lower belly down and back as you inhale. Exhale, move the upper spine up and back. Good. And then you're going to feel the space open, hang lightly, and then carry on. As you inhale, press this down and back. And as you exhale, hang and suspend the upper back. Here, from there. Don't fight the arms. All right. And then hands to the heels behind. Then loosen a bit for your final adjustment. And exhale, open this a bit. Yeah. Because you're going to use that openness so you can draw the leg from that point all the way to the tops of your spine. Yes. So before you descend, good. Allow inhale to create additional space. So the descent is an inhalation. Good. And then when you're ready to release your elbows, exhale the breath out. And then adjust. Good. Right, to rise, same. Exhale, loosen a bit. As you inhale, good. Draw this down and back as you pull the sensation up. So the spine goes forward, up, all the way back up to your resetting. Good. Hands to your chest. Exhale, hips back a bit. Breathe in, rise up. Good. And release your element. Then, low back enjoys much freedom. Yeah. No pain. Deep stretch inside. Muscles working as required in the asana to support your spine. The upper spine can breathe. The shoulders are open. Pain free. Yeah. Rising breath pattern. Doesn't matter whether you inhale or you exhale, there's only one direction, and it's rising. It's elongating inside. As you open the pathways, use that opening for the next breath to create more space all the way to the final position. Yeah, it doesn't matter whether back bend or any position actually, even in the meditation. Yeah, there's only one direction. Yeah, it's ascending. See you in the next tutorial. Namaste.